Today, I'm going to walk you through how to create a fully multilingual WordPress site by translating your content into multiple languages using the gTranslate plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to offer your website in different languages, opening up your content to a global audience and making your site much more accessible for visitors worldwide. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to install and activate the gTranslate plugin, which does all the heavy lifting for us. So head over to your WordPress admin dashboard, the back office of your website. Look at your sidebar menu on the left and find the section called Plugins. Hover over that and click on Add New. At the top right, there's a search bar. Type in gTranslate. You should see an option that says Translate WordPress with gTranslate pop up. This is the one we want. Hit Install now. Sometimes WordPress takes a few moments to get everything set up, so don't worry if the spinning wheel takes a bit. Once it says Installed, go ahead and click Activate. Now the plugin is live on your site and ready to be configured. Next, we'll go into the plugin settings so we can tailor how translations appear to your visitors. After activation, you'll notice a new menu option in your left sidebar, Settings, and under that, gTranslate. Click there to open the plugin settings page. You'll have a bunch of options here, but let's break them down together. First, think about how you'd like the language chooser to look. Do you want just flags, a drop-down menu, or both? For example, flags and drop-down is a popular choice because it's both visual and compact, great if you have visitors from around the world. Next is the default language. This tells gTranslate what your website's main or original language is. Make sure this matches what most of your site's content is written in. Then you'll see target languages. This is where you pick the languages you want your site translated into. Maybe you have a lot of French or Spanish-speaking visitors, or perhaps you want to cover as many as possible. Be strategic and think about your audience. Right under that, you'll find a checkbox for showing native language names. Enabling this means that instead of just Spanish, it'll say Espanol, and so on, making the selection feel more personalized for your international guests. There's also an option for enabling a floating language selector. If you'd like the language switcher to always be accessible no matter what page someone's on, turn this on. You can choose where it appears, like the top left or bottom right corner. Pick a spot that doesn't distract from your main content. After you've made your choices, don't forget to hit Save Changes at the bottom, otherwise, all your careful settings might vanish. Now let's talk about actually putting that language switcher where people will see it. There are a few different methods, so you can pick what fits your site best. If your site uses sidebars or footers, go to Appearance, then Widgets, and you'll find gTranslate as a widget you can drag and drop right where you want it. Super simple. Prefer to place it directly in your page content. You can use the shortcode gTranslate, just paste it into any post, page, or even a text widget and you're set. And if it makes more sense for your navigation, you can add the language selector directly to your menu from the gTranslate settings. And that's it. Your website is now ready to greet visitors in multiple languages. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry, just tweak the settings until you're happy with the result. Thanks so much for following along with me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another WordPress topic you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tutorials. Good luck with your multilingual site. I know your visitors will appreciate it.